Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from Sugargoo. So guys, first step, click on this here, your profile, as you can see here, and this is my profile, and go to my balance, as you can see here guys, and just click on withdraw. And after that guys, you have the amount on your account and withdrawable balance, as you can see. In my case guys, I don't have any money, and so if you have money, just click withdraw button, as you can see here, and you can withdraw easily. So guys, this is how you can withdraw money. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Keep watching guys, and any question guys down below in comment here, and I will answer your question. Keep watching guys.